It is discernible from the evidence that the respondent did prove the execution of agreement of sale and the documents showing payment there against by producing two marginal witnesses full stop. Their statements could not be shaken in cross examination full stop as against the plaintiff. The petitioner defendants not only admitted the execution of document in their written statement but also in their statements full stop. Perusal of the defense taken in paragraph of the preliminary objections of the written statement reveals that petitioners admitted that at the time of execution of document they did take notice of the fact that the document pertained to sale of property and not as a security to protect the alleged investment in business full stop. Despite that the petitioners executed the document, admitted the receipt of payment there against and did not challenge the document by filing any suit or through a complaint oblique application to the police as admitted in their evidence full stop. New paragraph. So much so no notice for raising this objection was claimed to have been sent full stop. The conduct of the petitioners is manifest from the facts which give no other impression except that the document is an agreement of sale. Its contents leave no room for doubt that the petitioners agreed to sell the property and received compensation as mentioned full stop. In view of the rule supra, it is manifest that the plea taken by the petitioners in defense was not only inadmissible in law but also not proved in accordance with law, and that they were stopped by their conduct to raise such plea full stop. To the contrary, the respondent had proved the subsequent payments thereof as also the readiness and willingness to perform their part and were therefore entitled to the enforcement of the agreement through the indulgence of the court full stop. New paragraph. Perusal of the judgments of the courts below also reveals that the entire evidence of both sides as was relevant and material was duly scrutinized, and it was only thereafter in depth consideration of the evidence that the conclusion drawn was that execution of agreement and receipt of payment of earnest money were not only admitted in the pleadings and the evidence but were also proved in accordance with law, and that the respondents were entitled to the grant of decree in the suit full stop. No misreading or non-reading of evidence or any material discrepancy therein could be highlighted in the course of hearing of the petition which could vitiate the findings of the courts below full stop. No ground for interference could be made out in the concurrent findings of facts in these circumstances full stop.